Hey guys, welcome back to a trade breakdown for 9 of October. Nice to be back this week. We had a banger for London Open, so let's get into it straight away. Coming to the charts, I was doing my analysis before like around 7:30 UK time. And at that time, these two candles here hadn't printed. So I was actually quite keen to trade the gap. This gap. Oh god, Zoom's updated, so I'm going to get used to this new toolbar. But we've got a gap right over. How do I? Come on, Zoom. It's going to take me a little bit to get used to this. I was looking at trading this potential gap right here with volume, thinking that if we could push up, if we're pushing bullish with Frankfurt Open, it was a US and Canada bank holiday, so sometimes that does affect the London session. So we have a little bit of a smaller London session. But if we're pushing bullish here and then we can get some closures above here, then before London Open, I thought we'd be able to push up quite nicely. But then these two 15-minute candles closed and we had the momentum coming back down. So that changed. I had to pivot quite quickly. And that's the good thing about when you're doing your analysis and you mark up your zones before the charts, you're going to have your zones above price and below price. So that's the most important thing. So we can stay adaptive. So quite a simple one today. Price action was beautiful. What happened was these two candles closed bearish. So I was looking to then flip and then trade basically these clean candles. I had this area marked up right here as an area that I wanted to keep an eye on. So let me just show you what that area was. If I go to the, oh, wait a second. I meant to have replayed this data. There we go. If I go to the 3-minute, and then we push over to the left here. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute. That's where it was. Over here. Oh no, my mistake. It was the 5-minute. Didn't think I'd go down the 1 minute that quickly. Here it is. This is that area. This little zone right over here. This is where I was quite interested in trading down towards doji, liquidity candle, clean move up, just powered up from there. So this clean candle would make a lot of sense to trade. I'll just extend this over to the right, like so. And then we'll go back to the higher time frame. We'll go to the 30-minute. 30-minute, you see on this area, that this is what I was looking to trade, this clean candle. If we're pushing down, it's just, I don't take the breakouts. So if price pushed down, broke the low, I would look for price to retrace back to an area of liquidity that was left behind, grab that liquidity, some liquidity candles, and then trade it down to this area. And that would be my trade. So quite simple. Then the pathway I was looking that because I did think we could go up, and I saw that we had doji left behind on the hour time frame, the initial hour, and we've got because price is pushing up so much in this the first 30 minutes of Frankfurt Open, I really thought we were going to take out that Asian high, but then this candle formed, so I had to pivot, look for those sells, look for rejections from here, and then we can trade back up to take the Asian high. So it's indeed what happened. Like this pathway is just almost perfect, as in I didn't anticipate how much of bounces we would get like this, but basically this pathway was just absolutely perfect. So we'll go to the lower time frame, and this was the market opening. This was this area here. I'm going to go to lower time frame and then show you that this was the area that I was looking for. If we could push down, so I'll just let it break the lows. Okay, that was the first 3-minute candle, push down. Very similar trades to the ones we took last week. This here is my rejection wick. This is my second rejection wick, so this creates that resistance for me. So if this was a support, this is now going to be a resistance. So I would like to see price come up, hesitate a little bit, and then start to push down. Now, I did make a little execution error up here in that I was watching TradingView, and if you're watching, there's a little slight like second delay when one candle closes, the next one opens. So I was waiting for this to reject, this candle here to close. And once we had that candle closing, forming that resistance, I basically wanted to enter into my sell. But because there was a little bit of a delay, that 1 second delay that I was watching price, as it started pushing down, time I executed on my MetaTrader, I missed about 5 pips worse off entry. But anyway, it was still fantastic trade. So open, no top wick, just started pushing down. Would have liked to have been in the trade up over here, but because of the delay, I executed. Time I executed, I got about 5 pips worse price. That's all right. Doesn't matter. Made my stop loss about 14 pips in total rather than around 10. Target was down towards this area. That was where we're going to look for to see some bounces and then price push back up. So I'll stick to the 3 minutes and we'll just watch price. So price has shot down. Trade was done. Closed it off about there, and trade was beautiful trade. Then we got the move down. 15-minute created a bottom wick over here for rejection. Price comes up, rejects off of the imbalance candle, which is back over here. You can see over to the left, right over here. This is where that price came back up to, grabbed the leftover liquidity, price pushed back down again. Clear all drawings. Okay. Then what we got on the 15-minute was another support formed. So rejection wick, second rejection wick. So this is your support. Let price come back down, retest the support, and off you go to Asian high. And that was the trade took afterwards. So just beautiful, such nice price movement. Then you can see it took out Asian high, and then that was the day done. So excellent price action to start the week. So got a really nice trade to start. That's basically set my whole week up now. So for the rest of the week, I can just trade profits. It's going to be a winning week no matter what happens. So I'll leave it there. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Make sure you like this channel so you get updates on everything new that comes out. Check the free Discord if you want to be part of the discussions inside of there. And I'll see you for London session tomorrow.